another episode of Cooking Ama. Today we are making spaghetti with sausage and sauce. So, the first thing you will need is some spaghetti and some sausages chopped up into pieces. Okay guys, so I have my spaghetti. I take a piece of sausage and I simply push the spaghetti through the sausage to form a skewer effect. Once I've done this 2 or 3 times, as many times as you like, I will boil this in some water. Okay guys, so our spaghetti and sausages have been nicely boiled, and here is the final product. Okay, so we have our spaghetti and sausage mixture, and we have now added our lovely tomato and meat mixture on top, spaghetti sauce, spaghetti and sausages.